Hello, great minds. You're welcome to another exciting moment on the channel. And in today's problem, we want to figure out what the value of x would be that will satisfy this radical equation. Now, to get started, I want you to think of square root of x plus square root of x as a variable like y plus y. Of course, you know y plus y is 2y, right? So this is like 1 root x plus 1 root x. So what would that be? That's going to be 2 root x equal to x. Another way you can think of this stuff is when you factor out root x, you'll be left with 1 plus 1, right? And you get 2 root x. So square root of x plus square root of x will just give us 2 root x, and that is equal to x. Now, at this very point, we want to get rid of this square root. So now we square both sides. We square the left-hand side and the right-hand side. Now, from the laws of exponents, if you have AB all to the power m, you can further express this as a to the m times b to the m. So that is what we are going to do in this case. So this is going to be like 2 squared times root x squared, all equal to x squared, of course. So from here, 2 squared is just like 2 times 2, and that is 4. And here, this square, we take off this root, so we just have 4x right there. And that is equal to x squared. Or you can even say x squared is equal to 4x, right? Now, the next thing you want to do is to take this guy to the left-hand side. So that becomes x squared minus 4x equal to 0. And now we have a quadratic equation. Of course, you want to factorize x because you can see x is common here, x is common here. So when you factor out the common factor, when you bring out the common factor, you can see x squared divided by x, that will just give us x. And 4x divided by x, that will just give us 4. As if to say x times x is x squared and x times negative 4 is negative 4x, all equal to 0. So right now we have x into x minus 4 equal to 0. So you're having two products, you're having two factors multiplying, and the result is 0. What does it mean? How can you multiply two stuff and you get 0? It means that one of the things you're multiplying has to be 0. So it could be x that is 0, or it could be x minus 4 that is 0. That's the idea. So from here, we already gotten the one of the values of x to be 0. And from this other equation, we can just collect like terms, take 4 to the other side. That will be s equal to positive 4. So these are the possible solutions for x that will satisfy this radical equation. You want to try out the values for x. The first value for x is 0. If you plug in 0 for x, let's see if you're going to get x. So if I say let s be 0, so that will be square root of 0, square plus square root of 0. Let us see if it will give us the 0 we have here as for x. So square root of 0 is 0, square root of 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 will still give us 0. So that is true. Then the other one is square root of 4 plus square root of 4. Will it give us 4? Of course, square root of 4 is 2. And another square root of 4 again is 2. 2 plus 2 will give us 4. So this solution we got for x, they are valid solution. So that comes to the end of this video. I would like to see you in the next one. If you like what we've done here, kindly subscribe so that you stay connected whenever we upload a new video. I wish you all the best and God bless you all. Bye-bye.